Okay, but can we agree that Afro beats is like the best thing to do anything to, work out to, do your hair to, shower to? Anyways, okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you how I did my faux locks. You're gonna need some gels, some hair clips for sure, some edge control if you use it, and a rat tail comb to make them parts sharp, some Marley hair, and let's get into it. So to remove them, it's pretty simple because I didn't burn the ends. You're just going to unravel it and slide them down once you're done. Here we have some kinky curly knots today that's clearly almost empty. Just running that through my hair. Finger detangling, and then I'm going to use some of this Shea Moisture On The Go conditioning hair fragrance. I just wanted my hair to smell good because we could not do a wash day just yet. Just detangling with my Denman brush, which is the truth, honey. I slept on it for way too long. And now we're just separating the Marley hair. That's going to be one of the key components to doing these faux locks. Make sure your Marley hair is nice and separated so that when you wrap, it takes up a lot of area. Some Eco Styler gel here just to keep all the hairs in place. My parts are about 1 inch by 1 inch. Pretty big. Okay, so here's the magic. All right, so you're going to hold the hair taut. You're going to place a clip in your hair to hold that piece of hair once you're braiding it down so that it stays tight. And then you're going to take your hair and braid it down with the Marley hair to create your base for the lock. And I'm just twisting the ends together. So now that you have the braid and the Marley hair, you're going to take the Marley hair that you have, it's already connected to your hair, and you're going to wrap it around that braid. You don't have to worry about it slipping because it's already in place. And I'm just measuring it to make sure they're all about the same length. When you get to the end, you're going to use the leftover hair that you didn't twist all the way to the end to wrap it back up, and that's going to seal it. And you're just going to wrap all the way around to the very last tip. Roll it through your hands, and that's it. I'm going to show you one more time. Yes, cute, very cute. Okay, make sure the Marley hair is completely fluffed out, separated, all that good stuff. Get your part right. Hold it nice and taut. And then you're gonna clip it. Anywhere, it doesn't matter, just clip it so that it's tight, and when you do your braid, it doesn't slip. Now you're going to braid your hair and the Marley hair into one braid, one plait. Wow, it sounds so country. You're going to braid that all the way down to the very ends. You're going to twist it just so it's not putting too much stress on your ends. You want to keep them ends healthy, girl, because this is a protected style. Yes, ma'am. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you like what you see and you would like to see more. You're going to leave a little bit there so when you're done wrapping, you can use the ends to wrap up. Now you're going to release that clip. You have your plait and the Marley hair left to wrap. This is all done in one piece. I know, I love it. It's brilliant. And you're going to just take that loose Marley hair and use it to wrap around your plait that you just made. You want to make sure that you're wrapping the hair tight enough around that it doesn't unravel. And yes, I was inspired by Jazz Nicole. Gotta give credit where credit is due. Just wrapping to the ends, wrap back up all the way to the very last strand. Roll it off and you're done. That's it. That is literally it. that is it. Hope this was helpful. I hope you guys liked it. I was trying to recreate the natural babe 10, 11, whatever kind of look, and I think I did that. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.